Welcome to Vatika Beautiful Hair Stories. Our hair is our crowning glory and we want nothing but the best for it. And even better if it's natural. I'm Sharon, a hair expert, and today I'm going to show you how to get beautifully coloured hair naturally. But before we start, you need to do the skin allergy test 48 hours before colouring your hair. Let me show you just how easy it is to use. Step 1, preparation. In your Vatika Naturals hair colour kit you will find hair colour creme tube, developer milk, an applicator and brush, a pair of gloves, Vatika Nourish Protect Post Colour Conditioner, detailed instruction leaflet, and don't forget to use a non-metallic bowl for mixing. Second step, mix. Put on the gloves provided in the kit. Empty the colouring tube and develop a milk bottle in a non-metallic bowl and mix to form a uniform consistency. Step 3, apply. The process is simple. Use the applicator brush and apply the mixture onto the hair. Focus on grey hairs and roots. Distribute the product evenly across the length of the hair to blend. Apply the mixture to the rest of the hair. Now leave this for 30 to 40 minutes. Step 4, rinse and condition. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the colour is out. You'll know when the water runs clear and colourless. It's now time to condition. You can't dye your hair and leave it to wither. You have to nourish it to keep that sleek shine going. So apply Vatika Naturals Nourish and Protect Conditioner and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Vatika Beautiful Hair Stories. Beautifully coloured hair naturally.